That's not cool. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and as you can see, my Civic has become a storage bin. It's got, got all kinds of stuff here. Stuff from barbecuing last night. Got some screw extractors. You get the point. Under all this mess is my D16Y8 turbo. It does have a blown head gasket. You can see down there on the floor, I have leaked oil. Hopefully I don't have a cracked block, but we will go and find out right now. I'm going to take all this crap off, and yeah. Never done a Civic head gasket before, but you guys gave me a shit ton of good information. So thank you to every single one of you who commented on that video. If you guys have any more advice for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the whole thing done in this video. I do wanna get it professionally resurfaced. That's kind of critical, especially if there's warpage and I'm leaking. Hopefully it's not cracked. So I do apologize for not having uploaded a video recently. I have been working on getting this new job, and then 2 of my children had birthdays. My daughter turned 7 and my son turned 2, so that was freaking awesome. My daughter actually watches, so happy birthday. I love you. And I hope you actually watch this one, because otherwise that's kind of crazy. Let's get the car jacked up and let's get cracking on this head gasket, because I have to go get the kids from school soon, so. Yeah, time to get cracking on this head gasket. Let's go!
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch.
Gotten quite a bit disconnected. The cam bolt is loose here. The exhaust header's off. The bolts for the intake manifold were starting to strip. There's one up in the corner here, so I'm just gonna remove the whole thing and deal with that when it's off. And we've got most everything disconnected over here except for this guy. And one hose in the back there I'm probably gonna have to cut because it's kind of old and not really trying to come off. But yeah, I'm gonna start cranking on these head bolts now and see if we can get them out. Alrighty, get to it. Alrighty, y'all, so this is where we are gonna leave off for today. Got the head off down here. Yeah, dripped a little oil everywhere, but that's okay. Here's the head gasket. Yeah, thing is fucked. You can see it's separated right there. So that's done for sure. That was definitely fucked. I would like to know what I can avoid putting back on. If you guys could show me what I can remove from this engine, that would be awesome. I tried looking on my own, but I couldn't figure out like what hoses I can get rid of. I don't need things like, like this is pointless right here. What the fuck is that? Anything else you guys think that I should replace or get rid of, please let me know. I'm exhausted. I know this wasn't the most cinematic or pretty thing, but it was a shit ton of work for me to do my first time. I was just kind of winging it there towards the end. I'm sure you guys could tell I was just pulling on it and fucking everything up, and that was, yeah. So yeah, if you guys have stuck around this long, huge shout out to you. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure notifications are turned on. You don't even have to drop me a comment at that point because you guys have already knocked it out of the park with subscribing, but hell yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I need to go grab a shower real quick, and I'm gonna start doing some research on what I can remove from this engine. So yeah, I'm gonna take a couple days break here. Let me know what I need to do from here on out, things I should replace while I'm down here. And hopefully, you know, over the next couple days, I'll be able to get this put back together. It's probably going to take me like a week or so, but I do want to do it before I lose place of what I've been doing here. So thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. Thank you for getting me past 1,000 subscribers, and you guys fucking rock. All right, y'all. Peace out, Cub Scouts.